Lindsay, what's your question for the doc?
I have a son who will only drink juice.
Oh, because juice is really, really yummy.
It's delicious.
He won't drink water.
Yeah, that's a problem. So you're right, absolutely, that juice tastes great, but it's nutritionally almost useless.
Right.
And we think, having grown up, that we can equate fruit and juice, like, oh, an orange or orange juice. It's not at all the same, right? You lose all the protein, plus they add a ton of sugar. So we're gonna take that choice away from him about juice, but we're gonna give him some other choices. One of the things that you can do is you can put fruit, cut up fruit, into an infuser.
Oh, brilliant.
What's even better is that you can involve him in this process. So you're not gonna let him choose which juice he wants, you're gonna let him choose which kinds of fruits he wants to flavor his juice.
Okay.
So you don't get the protein that you would from eating the whole fruit, but you don't get the added sugars.
At least he's just getting flavor and water.
He's getting flavor. So one of the things you can do is he can be like, oh, I picked the strawberries. And so he himself can help put these strawberries in here, and he can fill them up, and he can make all kinds of different combinations. And then this is his, and he got the autonomy of knowing, and maybe he wants
That's so cute, and it just sits inside the other thing.
Right, but you let him go to the sink or to the tap or to your pitcher and put some water in. He just puts this right in here.
Very cute.
And if he's doing this himself, then he says, oh, that's mine. He gets that ownership and that autonomy of doing it himself.
Kids like to have fun. If you make stuff that's good for you fun, they'll do the fun thing.